Silky beat.
Huawei Mate 50 Pro just launched before a few days. Fast refresh rate, 4-side curved display, satellite communication feature, 10-stop variable aperture camera lens, flagship processor, superb in design, fast wired and wireless charging and many more. Today I will show you Huawei Mate 50 Pro's unboxing and first impression that will launch in Europe on 26th of September. Hey guys, Maiky from Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing and turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. This is Huawei Mate 50 Pro's black box with branding on the top. Lifting this up, first of all we get Mate 50 Pro phone. Then 500 yuan service voucher, a 66 watt power adapter and a Type-C to A cable. In this box we get a SIM ejector tool, user manual and a clear case. Let's remove the plastic and talk about design and build. The one we have in the hand is the purple color and Mate 50 Pro comes with the 4 color options: black, silver, purple and orange. And the orange color wrapped with the plain leather material. The back of the phone made with AG glass process and you can see the stargazing design in the bottom of the back. The design of the circular camera module at the top of the back comes with the classic design and the camera module got the same color as the phone back. The thickness of the phone is around 8.5 mm and the weight is around 209 grams. In terms of the appearance, Huawei Mate 50 Pro is obviously better and it's follow the previous design style as a whole. Many people like to compare it with the Mate 40 series, but the latter is one of the most representative product in the industrial design of the mobile phone. The front screen is 6.74 inch in the size with a resolution of 2616 by 1212, supports 120Hz refresh rate and a 10-bit display. And the effect is extremely outstanding in terms of dimming method. Huawei Mate 50 Pro choosing a more eye-friendly high-frequency PWM dimming. Even in the DC dimming function is not turned on, it can give people healthy viewing experience at the low brightness. Huawei's protection for the Mate 50 Pro screen is twofold, one for the user and other for the screen itself. Mate 50 Pro uses an anti-drop cool glass to protect the screen, which can better cope with the accidental scenes such as drop and the hard objects. When mobile phone completely enters in the zero signal mode, when encountering some extreme disaster weather, no signal means isolation and helplessness, which means that there is no more direct and effective way to call for help. The Vidoe satellite message brings the emergency function for sending satellite message without signal to the Huawei Mate 50 series. It uses the message function of Vidoe navigation satellite and the change line function of the mobile phone to edit a message within 19 characters and send distress messages and positioning to the relatives and friends. Now let's talk about the camera. Huawei Mate 50 Pro have triple camera setup in the back. 50 megapixel primary camera with variable aperture, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto camera and the 13 megapixel 120-degree field of view ultra-wide camera. For the first time, the Huawei Mate 50 series has implemented a 10-stop physical variable aperture blades. The aperture changes f1.4 to f4.0 can be realized, which can be adjusted in professional mode or a large aperture mode. The changes of the blade on the lens can be clearly seen when adjusting. For the Huawei Mate 50 series, each generation seems to have achieved breakthrough in the photos industries. Huawei Mate 50 Pro goes faster and further in physical variable aperture, and with the advantage of the computational photography, Huawei Mate 50 Pro has a real professional X-Magi image system of the Huawei Mate. Huawei Mate 50 Pro is also very rich in terms of the parameter. Now let's talk about the performance. Huawei Mate 50 Pro is equipped with the latest generation of the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 platform. Comes with the LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, but no 5G connectivity. The performance of the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is obviously flagship level and simply show the performance of Huawei Mate 50 Pro in the highest quality of Jensen impact. The average frame rate is 54.38 fps and the frame rate is relatively stable throughout the gaming session. In terms of battery, Huawei Mate 50 Pro has a built-in 4700 mAh battery. Fast charging supports 66 watt wired and 50 watt wireless fast charging. Connect the original charger when the phone has 1% remaining power. It takes 37 minutes to fully charge. It can be charged to 39% in first 10 minutes and the 53% in 15 minutes. Huawei Mate 50 Pro will launch on 26th of September in UK and the price of the phone in China starts from 6,799 yuan. If we convert in the pound is around 880 pound in UK and $950 in the US. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give the video thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.